I'm Nick Sturgis, your grow guide with CALIVE Lighting. CALIVE Lighting is a California-based LED lighting manufacturer specializing in grow lighting, who will be joining your line card early this year. Grow lighting is used for all sorts of crops and indoor cultivation operations for things such as leafy greens, microgreens, produce, flowers, among others. The main market driving grow lighting, however, is the cannabis market. Cannabis cultivation is legal in some aspect, whether that be recreational or medicinal. Without a doubt, you guys are selling your general electrical and lighting products into these cultivation facilities. Adding CALIVE grow lights to this will nearly double the project value. Over the next series of videos and training modules, we will cover everything from the basics of LED lighting to developing a lighting layout and floor plan for a cultivation facility. By the end of this training module, I hope that you feel confident and knowledgeable in CALIVE LED grow lights.